Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are good. Okay. So, children, let's start our morning prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, and start with me. हे भगवान तुम्हें प्रणाम. हे भगवान तुम्हें प्रणाम. पढ़ लिख कर हम बने महान. पढ़ लिख कर हम बने महान. हे भगवान तुम्हें प्रणाम. दो वरदान. हे भगवान नित्य पढ़ेंगे, नित्य पढ़ेंगे. हे भगवान दो वरदान. हम हैं तेरे सच्चे बच्चे. हे भगवान हमें दो ज्ञान. हे भगवान. Okay, now open your eyes, children. Yes, very good. So, children, do you know what is the date and date today? Think. What is the day and date today? Yes, today is 1st July 2021. Yes, and the day is Friday. What, children? The day is Friday. Yes, do you know what we will do today? Today we will learn about opposite words. What, children? Opposite words. Yes. But before starting opposite words, we will do some exercise. Okay? Do with me. First, roll your hands. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop, children. Now run. Run. Very good. Now stop. Now rub your hands like this. See, like this rub your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Stop. Now clap your hands. Start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Clapping. Now we will start today's session, which is about opposite words. Have you heard what is opposite words? No. Okay. I will tell you, your teacher will tell you today what are opposite words. Opposite words are different. What, children? Opposite words are different. Okay? Opposite words are different from each other. They are not the same. What? They are not the same. So, children, when you get up early in the morning, what do you see? When you get up early in the morning, what do you see? You see day. Yes, na? What do you see? You see day. Yes, na? And when you went to sleep at night, what do you see? You see a shiny moon and a twinkling stars. Yes. So, when you get up early in the morning, you see sunrise, and when you go to sleep, you see moon and twinkling stars. Yani day and night. It's the day. This is a day and this is a night. So The opposite of day is night. Day and night, day and night, day and night. Day, 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 night, night, night. Day, 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 night, night, night. So, children, opposite of day is night. Now, tell me, when your mama feel happy, when you do good, when you do something good, your mama feels happy and you also feels happy. And your mama gives you what? Your mama gives you toffees. Yes, na? Your mama gives you toffees and chocolates. And what we can see on your faces? Tell me, what we can see on your faces at that time? A big smile. What, children? A big smile. Yes, very good. So, at that time, you feel happy. What, children? Happy. And when you do something bad, your mama scolds you. Your mama scolds you, na? And that time, what we can see on your faces? We can see sad face. You cry a lot. And we can see sad faces. So, the opposite of happy is sad. What, children? Opposite of happy is sad. Okay? Opposite of happy is sad. Happy and sad. Happy and sad. Happy and sad. Happy and sad. Happy, 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 sad, sad, sad. So, opposite of happy is sad. Yes. Now, children, see, I have one block. Okay? I have one. See, children, I have one block which is very thick. What, children? This block is very thick. Repeat with me. This block is very thick. And I have another block. This block is very thin. This block is very thin. See, this is thin, na? See, thick and thin, thick and thin. So, thick and thin, thick and thin, thick, 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 thin, thin, thin. So, children, opposite of thick is thin. Yes. Now, on summer season, when you feel hot, what do? Tell me. You. Yes, what do you do in summer season when you feel so wet, so hot? What do you do? You drink ice creams and fruities. Yes, now. And on summer season, yes, now on winter season, when you feel so cold, what do you do? What do? You drink a hot milk. So, in winter season, you drink hot milk, and on summer season, you drink cold fruity. So, hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold. So, children, opposite of hot is cold. Yes. Now, children, see, I have Fevicol. I have Fevicol which is very big. And I have another Fevicol also which is very small. So, big and small, big and small. What, children? Big and small, big and small. Opposite of big is small. Big is small, big and small. Yes, very good. Now, children, see, I have one bucket. See, I have one bucket and I have this sharpener. And if I want to keep this sharpener inside the box, what I will do? What I will say? Sharpener in the box. And if I want to keep it out, I will say sharpener out the box. What, children? In the box, out the box. In the box, out the box. In the box, out the box. Yes. In and out, in and out, in and out. Opposite of in is out. Yes. Very good. You all are doing good. Children, do you all have understood what are opposite words? Yes, now they all are different, like happy and sad, happy and sad, thick and thin, thick and thin. Yes, big and small, big and small, big and small. Yes, now day and night, day and night. Very good. And one more, see, hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold. And the last one is happy and sad, happy and sad. So children, do you all have understood? Yes, very good. So children, goodbye. Take care. Very good. We will meet on next session. Till then, take care.